Hello, my dear students of grade 8. Today we are taking the fifth lecture of our program. Today we are taking Unit 2. Exercise 3, page 7. Find the words in the text "The Future of Schools" on page 16 for the following. 1. A place where TV programs, films and recordings are made. 2. A piece of equipment that is sent into space to travel around the Earth in order to receive and send information. Number 3. A camera which records moving pictures and sounds so that they can be shown on the internet as they happen. 4. A small computer that you can carry with you. Number 5. A piece of equipment for recording sound so that it can be sent electronically. Number 6. A large electronic voice screen which is used by teachers and students in a classroom. Exercise 4, page 17. Write a heading for each paragraph of the article. Indeed, we are talking about the same article. Paragraph 1. This is for example. The heading is Going to School in Australia. A heading is a British. In American English, they might say topic or title also. Use of English. Will future passive form. Use the will passive to talk about what will be done in the future or to predict what you think will happen. We start with the object. Will be past participle of the verb. Why do we start with the object? Because it's passive. For example, the lessons will be given over the internet. This is the will future passive. Okay, let's take the active. He will play football. When we turn it into will future passive becomes football, because we start with the object, will be, and we take the past participle of the verb play, that is played. Subject will not be past participle of the verb. This is a negative. Paper tests will not be needed. Yes/no questions. Will object be past participle of the verb? Will all exams be taken online? WH will object be past participle of the verb. How will the tests be corrected, though? Okay, let's move on. We have exercise 5, page 17. Write out the sentences using the will future passive form of the verbs in brackets. Cars will not be driven. This is an example. By people, they gap by computers. Not a drive. This is the example which we have just done. Will not be driven. It's negative. And we have control to put it in the second gap. Okay, text messaging gap by voice to text technology. Replace. 3. All houses gap by solar power. Heat. 4. There will be no shops or shopping centers. All shopping gap online. Do. 5. Films gap, that is not show for this gap. Or cinemas, they gap download and gap watch at home. Do not forget the first one is not show, that means negative, in the future will passive. Download for the second gap and watch for the third gap. Homework, workbook. In your workbooks, exercise 1, page 12. Don't forget we said P means page. Rearrange the following letters to write the correct words. Number 1, ATSELILTE. Number 2, SHAPONDEEH. Number 3, ROCIMONEPH. Number 4, CABMEW. Number 5, CARTETINIVE. The second word is DROWABEITH. Rearrange those words those letters to write the correct words. Okay, let's move on to exercise 3, page 15, also in the workbook. Read the itinerary for the first day of the school sky trip. Then write an account of what will happen. Use the passive. School sky trip day 1, 6:30 a.m. Coach takes students and teachers from school to the airport. Becomes 6:30 a.m. Students and teachers will be taken from school to the airport by coach. Do not forget, when we use the passive, we put the object at the beginning. Then we just turn we add will be if it is not negative, will not be if it is negative, and we turn the verb into past participle, and we just go on with the sentence. When we need to add the subject, we usually write by, then the subject. Okay, let's move on. 10 a.m. Local guide meets us. Turn it into future passive. Will with will. 10:30 a.m. Bus takes us to hotel. 12. Hotel serves lunch. 1 p.m. Local ski shop provides skis and boots. 1:30 p.m. Teachers collect lift boxes and hand them out to students. 2:15 p.m. Ski instructors meet the students of the Alpine ski lift. Ski instructors divide students into groups according to ability. Do not forget, this one has got 2 sentences. It's not only one sentence. 2:30 p.m. The instructors accompany students to the slopes for their first lesson. 4 p.m. Teachers meet students at the bottom of the lift and take them back to the hotel. Let's move on to speaking. This is another homework. Kindly record your answers and send them as an audio file. What will school be like in 20 years from now? 1. Which of the following do you think will happen? Give reasons to your answer. A. There will be no schools. Students will work from home and all lessons will be given over the internet. B. Teachers will be replaced by computers. C. Books will no longer exist. Everything will be downloaded from the internet. D. Exams and tests will be taken online. A. Homework will not be handwritten. It will be done on the computer and it will be marked by computer. F. Activities such as music, drama, and sports will not be done in schools. They will be organized in the local communities. For this question, number 1, you may choose more than one option. You don't have to choose A, B, C, D, E, 1, F, and F, one of them only. No, it's up to you to choose any of them or more than one, let's say. But once you choose one or more than one, you need to give reasons to each one. 2. What other changes do you think there will be? 3. What will students miss if they only learn from home and do not go to school? Explain. We come to the end of our lecture today. This homework should be done within 2 days. That means you need to submit it after tomorrow, not tomorrow. If you submit it tomorrow, it's okay, but you are allowed to take 1 extra day to submit. Thank you very much. We come to the end of our lecture. That was Mr. Haidal Qasir with you. Thanks for watching.